Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, today our subject is identity of human being, second part. A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from devil, the outcast. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of Allah, the merciful, the kind. Allah's creation are in three variation, in three kinds. First of it, momentary. Those who are created for a short time, they have no hereafter life. Such creation includes beasts, birds, fish, trees, herbs, insects, such things. This is the creation momentary, for short time. Allah says in His Holy Quran, in the Surah Yasin, verse 82, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون. Verily, His order, when He intends a thing, only she say to it, kun, be, fayakun, then it is come to being. With this word, kun fayakun, by this word Allah creates those, the momentary creation. It has no hereafter life. Their life is short. They must be resurrected on the day of resurrection. And whatever they do wronged, they have oppressed on the weak, Allah will take vengeance from them and just equitably. On the day of hereafter, Allah raised them in the Maidan, in the resurrection Maidan, and Allah take vengeance, revenge. This revenge will be taken thus: the beast who are horned, they bears horn, and beast they have no horn, hornless. And in this world, the beast who bears horn, they are horned. They off and off, they used to gore the weak, wish to gore them. They have no horn. On the day of resurrection, Allah Ta'ala made such, those who are horned in the world, Allah make them hornless. And those who are hornless in this world, Allah make them horned. And they will gore them as equal they have been gored in this world. So such Allah take vengeance from all creatures. Only one point, it is the oppression. That is called in Holy Quran zulum. So Allah taking this vengeance from all the oppressed, from all the oppressor. After taking this vengeance, Allah ordered them to be marked. Kuni turaba. Inform you in marked. Become you marked. They will become marked. Then the kafir, the disbeliever, those who will be present in that Maidan, they will say, Ya laitani kung tuturaba. Alas, may we be marked now. They must not mark. They will be presented before judgment, and their judgment will be equitably, justly, and after judgment, their decision will be held, and those who will pass in the examination, they will get their record book in their right hand, and those who will be failed, they have received their result sheet in their left hand. And those who receive their result sheet left hand, they will go hell, and they will have their result sheet in right hand, they will enter in the heaven. So such we say that Allah's creation is of three kinds, of three variation. The first creation is momentary. Second creation is long living. So in this creation includes the heaven, earth, sky, solar system, everything. This creation is long living. Scientists assume that the world, that this earth, that this world, its life maybe 1200 crores years. So we see in the Holy Quran the difference between the two creation. Allah momentary creation has created with one order, kun fayakun, and there's the long living, such creation Allah has created within 6 days. So we go to discuss this. The long living creation Allah has created within 6 days. In Holy Quran, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Qul, say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, A'innakum latakfuruna billadhi khalaqal arda fi yawmayni. Are you refuse, are you disbelieve him who created this earth within 2 days? These 2 days is Sunday and Monday. Within these 2 days, Allah created this earth. وَتَجْعَلُونَ أَنْدَادًا, and you make his rivals and ascribe you to him partners. It is great sin. ذَلِكَ رَبُّ الْعَالَمِينَ, this is your Lord of the world. So here in this ayat, here in this verse, Allah says that within 2 days Allah created this earth. وَجَعَلَ فِيهَا رَوَاسِيَ, and place therein firm hills. Rawasiya, mem fawqiha, rising above it. Firm hills was set over the earth. وَبَارَكَ فِيهَا, and blessed in it. وَقَدَّرَ فِيهَا أَقْوَاتَهَا, and measured therein it is sustenance. Sustenance of mankind, all creatures, sustenance of all creatures, Allah measured in this world, in this earth. Fi arba'ati ayamin, within 4 days. So within 4 days, Allah created earth, and in the earth whatsoever is necessary for the sustenance of all creation, all this Allah has created total within 4 days. Summa stawa ila sama, after completion of this creation, he turned to the sama, to the heaven. He turned to the heaven. He made his attention to this heaven, to the heavens. Faqala Allah, Allah said to it, Olel arde, ebong to the earth. He said to the heavens and earth, Etiya tawan aw karha. You come you, tawa, willingly, aw karha, or loathly. After wasting a time, to come willingly or loathly. So Allah, when asked them it, they replied, Qalata, they replied, Atayna ta'ina, we come obedient, we come willingly. Fakadahunna, then Allah ordered them, Sabah samawatan, 7 skies, fi yawmaine, within the 2 days. These 2 days is Thursday and Friday. And first 4 days is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Within these 4 days, Allah has created earth and everything that was necessary for the living being of the earth. It has been created within 4 days. And after that 4 days, Wednesday and Friday, within these 2 days, Allah created heavens. Fakazahunna Sabah Samawatin. He ordered them to be 7 skies. Fi yawmaine, within 2 days. Thursday and Friday. Wa'awha fi kulli samain. And he inspired mandate. Awha fi kulli samain, in each heaven. Amra each mandates. Each order that to be obeyed, he inspired in them. وَزَيَّنَّا سَمَا الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيهَا. And I decorated the nearer sky, بِمَصَابِيهَا, with the lamps, with the dazzling stars. وَحِفْظًا, and rendered it inviolable. ذَلِكَ تَقْدِيرُ الْعَزِيزِ الْعَلِيمِ. This is the measuring of the mighty, almighty, and all-knowing. So such Allah described here as He created within 6 days earth and whatever is within earth and skies. Within 6 days Allah has created, and this creation is long living. Those who are created by kun fayakun, they are momentary, short living. This creation of Allah is long living. Third creation of Allah is everlasting, forever. That creation is human being. Allah created human being, father of the human being, Adam, within 120 years duration of time. In 340 terms, in 340 years time, Allah has created Adam, the father of the human being. Allah take from His divine hand a handful of mud throughout the world. And one handful of mud Allah have taken. Then Allah soaked it in water, sink in water for 40 years. Such is become black and altered, bashy, startled. So, within past 40 years, the mud of Adam was watered, was sink in water, was soaked, and it become black mud. Salsal means hamay masnun, who is Quran says hamay masnun. Hama means dark, and masnun is altered. That is become a stall and smelling bad smell. So this 40 years mud was thus. In the second 40 years, Allah dried it, so it become salsal and kalfakhar, like the potter's mud, baked clay, potter's baked clay. Second 40 years, Allah it dried, it sand, and it become potter's clay. Potter's baked clay, very hard mud. In the second 40 years. In the third 40 years, Allah mixture it with various kind of water and become it plastic clay. Inna khalaqnahu min tinin lazib. I have created Adam with the plastic clay. Allah created Adam between Makkah and Taif at a place. This named is Dohna. At Dohna, between Makkah and Taif, Allah created Adam's physical part of the body. So here we say, where we realize, we comprehend that Allah's creation is three kinds. One kind is by kun fayakun. Second kind is second kind's creation with 6 days, with a duration of 6 days, and third creation is a duration of 120 years. Adam, and they are the forever. They are forever. They are everlasting. They never will perish. They never will destroy. So they are Adam's lives begin with death and end with life. You realize, minutely realize, that Adam's life begins with death and ends with life. So Bani Adam, children of Adam, they never will perish. Their last condition is life. Their beginning with death and their last and their ending with life. Adam's children never die. Adam and Adam's never die. They must be created forever, and they will have in the heavens and in the hell. Allah says, "Madamati samawati wal ard." New sky, new heaven, new earth will be created after the destruction of this world. After destroyed of this world, Allah, a new earth, a new sky, Allah will have been created. And so far that sky and heaven will remain, man will remain up to that time, even more than that time. To show our discussion is here will be end by the grace of Allah. Allah's creation are of three variation: momentary, long-living, and everlasting. So thus we proceed. Today we discuss the second section, second term of human identity. So inshallah, in the next term we will discuss third part of the human identity. And on this, our discussion will go on. Assalamu alaikum.